Hello everyone. In this video we will do question number 2, exercise 13.2 and the chapter is exponent and powers. So question number 2 is simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. So first we have question number 2, ninth part, 2 raised to 8 multiply a raised to 5 whole divided by 4 raised to 3 multiply a raised to 3. First of all write 4 as 2 multiply 2, which can also be written as 2 raised to 2. Now replace 4 by 2 raised to 2. We get 2 raised to 8 multiply a raised to 5 whole divided by 2 raised to 2 raised to 3 multiply a raised to 3. Since 2 raised to 2 whole raised to 3 be the case of taking power of a power, so we get 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to 6. So we get 2 raised to 8 multiply a raised to 5 over 2 raised to 6 multiply a raised to 3. Now this expression can also be written as 2 raised to 8 over 2 raised to 6 multiply a raised to 5 over a raised to 3. Now here we can see that 2 raised to 8 over 2 raised to 6 with the case of dividing powers with the same base. So we get 2 raised to 8 over 2 raised to 6 is equal to 2 raised to 8 minus 6. Also a raised to 5 over a raised to 3 again with the case of dividing powers with the same base. Therefore a raised to 5 over a raised to 3 is equal to a raised to 5 minus 3. So we get 2 raised to 8 minus 6 multiply a raised to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2 raised to 2 multiply a raised to 2. Now again here we can see that 2 raised to 2 multiply a raised to 2 with the case of multiplying powers with the same exponent. So we get 2 multiply a whole raised to 2, which can also be written as 2a whole raised to 2. So 2a whole raised to 2 with the required exponential form of the given expression. Next is question number 2, third part, 25 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 3. Since 25 can be written as 5 multiply 5, which can also be written as 5 raised to 2. So replace 25 by 5 raised to 2. So we get 5 raised to 2 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 3. Now here we can see that 5 raised to 2 whole raised to 4 with the case of taking power of a power. So we get 5 raised to 2 whole raised to 4 is equal to 5 raised to 2 multiply 4 divided by 5 raised to 3, which is further equal to 5 raised to 8 divided by 5 raised to 3. Now here we can see that 5 raised to 8 divided by 5 raised to 3 with the case of dividing powers with the same base. So we get 5 raised to 8 divided by 5 raised to 3 is equal to 5 raised to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5 raised to 5. So 5 raised to 5 with the required exponential form of 25 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 3. So this is the required answer. Next is question number 10. A raised to 5 divided by a raised to 3 multiply by a raised to 8. Now here in this case we can see that a raised to 5 divided by a raised to 3 with the case of dividing powers with the same base a. So we get a raised to 5 divided by a raised to 3 is equal to a raised to 5 minus 3 multiply a raised to 8, which is further equal to a raised to 2 multiply a raised to 8. Now again a raised to 2 multiply a raised to 8 with the case of multiplying powers with the same base a. So we get a raised to 2 multiply a raised to 8 is equal to a raised to 2 plus 8, which is equal to a raised to 10. Therefore a raised to 10 with the required exponential form of a raised to 5 over a raised to 3 multiply a raised to 8. So this is the required answer. Next is question number 2, 11th part. 4 raised to 5 multiply a raised to 8 multiply b raised to 3 over 4 raised to 5 multiply a raised to 5 multiply b raised to 2. Since this expression can also be written as 4 raised to 5 over 4 raised to 5 multiply a raised to 8 over a raised to 5 multiply b raised to 3 over b raised to 2. Now 4 raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 5 be the case of dividing powers with the same base. So we get 4 raised to 5 minus 5. Again a raised to 8 divided by a raised to 5 be the again case of dividing powers with the same base a. So we get a raised to 8 over a raised to 5 is equal to a raised to 8 minus 5. Again b raised to 3 over b raised to 2 is again the case of dividing powers with the same base b. So b raised to 3 divided by b raised to 2 becomes b raised to 3 minus 2. Therefore 4 raised to 5 minus 5 is equal to 4 raised to 0 multiply a raised to 8 minus 3 becomes a raised to 3 multiply b raised to 3 minus 2 becomes b raised to 1. Since 4 raised to 0 is equal to 1 multiply a raised to 3 multiply b. So we get 1 multiply a raised to 3 multiply b is equal to a raised to 3 into b. So a raised to 3 into b be the required exponential form of the given expression. Next is 12th part, 2 raised to 3 multiply 2 whole raised to 2. Since 2 raised to 3 multiply 2 raised to 1 be the case of multiplying powers with the same base 2. So we get 2 raised to 3 multiply 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 raised to 3 plus 1 whole raised to 2, which is equal to 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 2. Now this is the case of taking power of a power. So we get 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 2 is equal to 2 raised to 4 multiply 2, which is equal to 2 raised to 8. Therefore 2 raised to 8 be the required exponential form of the given expression.